What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are here with the 2017 Acura NSX. This will apply to any of the second-gen Acura NSX models. Now, I've had an issue here with the door handle where when you push the unlock, it would not pop open. So I proceeded to disconnect and take this out of the door. And here's what we found. So when you go online, you can actually order a full assembly of this door. It's probably going to be anywhere from $800 to $1,200 to replace this entire assembly. But here is what I found out is wrong with the actual unit itself. So let's get into it. All right, so on the unit, what we're going to do is take a screwdriver here. We're going to take this screw out here, and we're going to take this screw out right here. Now what you're going to find is you'll be able to take this little cover off. Now we can see the mechanics of what's going on inside. Okay, so as you can see here, when the door opens, it's actually this little guy right here that will pop that open. And when it closes, this releases, the handle goes back down. Now as you can see, probably needs some grease up in here. But what we're going to be focusing on here is this little module right here. So if you look here in this spot, let's see here. If you look here in this spot, you'll see a little tab here. We're going to push on that tab just enough to pop it up slightly. And then on the other side as well, we're going to do that, pop that out so I can show you what we got going on here. So there's the first one, we've got that up. Now the second one. All right, so now that we got that, we can slide this up like so and then tilt it out. And what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is a door lock actuator. This is the part that needs to be replaced. Again, I mentioned this is anywhere from $800 to $1,200. This part right here, if you go aftermarket, you can get it as cheap as maybe about $15. And if you go OEM from Honda, about 100 and change, low hundreds. So this is the part here that needs to be replaced. Now we're working on the left side of the door. So all we have to do is buy a left side actuator, and this piece pops off right here like so. And then we put this on the new guy, install it, and we're good to go. So what I'll do here is I'll pop up on the screen the part numbers. Here's the part number for the left side door actuator. And here's the part number for the right side door lock actuator. And just make sure, you know, when you put it back together, you grease it up nicely. But once you get your new piece in, all you're going to do is pop this in like so, slide it in, line it up with the little spots that you popped it out of, like so. Click it back in, put your cover back on, and we are ready to rock and roll. Now, I'm going to have to, go order the part that I need to replace this here to make this work again, but this should save you a ton of money by not having to buy an entire assembly for the handle. All we're going to do is replace this guy right here. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.